How to rent a car enterprise. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to rent a car on Enterprise official site. So the very first thing that you want to have to do or to know is to dig deep into their requirements. So what do you need to rent a car in the United States? But before you go here, you can go ahead and visit their official website, which is going to be the enterprise.com's website, and then you need to provide your location first so that you will know if there are available units on the branches that will be on your area. Now, next is the actual requirements. So you need to be 25 years old or older, or under 25 you may be required to pay a young driver's fee, which varies by rental location. And of course, you need a valid license with photo. Now, for payment methods, they have credit cards, debit, check cards, gift cards, cash. Now, for cash, this may not be available for some enterprises along your area because for security reasons. Now, to book your rent a car on Enterprise is just here. Once you have provided your location, just simply click this browse vehicles and choose between pickup and return, and as well as your age, or if you do have a specific vehicle in mind, you just have to input it here. And that's it. It's how you rent a car on Enterprise.